You see, you are even battling with biscuits. You see those guys in our church? We are done with our own battle. Hey. I'm planning to start another episode with them. You see, those are choir mistress, deaconess, all those ushers, those fine girls, not the boys of those big fools. They don't know anything. Those choir mistress, ushers, and deaconesses. I'm done with them.
Yeah, man. Of course.
Even I'm planning to go and start another church.
Who is selling? You see that church? They are making noise. Disturbing the full environment.
Of course.
Next week, I'm going to baptize everybody in that church. I'm going to deal with them.
You know those girls? I'm doing playing drum in our church. When I'm playing it like this, those girls they normally admire me and I admire them also. Hey. I'm expecting 3.
Young man, what are you saying?
My friend, shut up there. 2 from my church, 1 from another separate church. I have finished all those girls. Just pray the one coming from another separate church is not from your church.
I'm a man of God.
My friend, shut up there. What do you know about God? Sorry. Our new deaconess, the pastor just ordained her. I'm going to pep her.
The Bible said...
My friend, shut up there. What do you know about the Bible? I have 3 Bibles at home. New version, old version. I have 5 in my phone.
You're a real man.
Even all these pastors nowadays,
they don't even have one Bible. They are using tablets.
they are the one that is even worse. They are the one doing it.
Using tab to come and preach in the altar. You don't make heaven.
Our new church.
Young man, listen to me. Now, you cannot go...
Shut up there! Shut up! Listen to you. Who are you? Even my pastor's wife.
That beautiful woman.
That beautiful... Do you even know her?
I know.
See. Tell me, Tommy. I'm going to Awuzumwe. I will go Bozumwe half.
Young man.
No life. You will go bozu. My wife. You will go bozu.
He's my...